So I am fine tuning a basic Open Llama 3B model, a very small 3B model that is we are using LoRa over this specific thing. I am going to show you what exactly we are doing. This is taking some time to run. We are using Jarvis Lab GPUs available, but just to show you what are the things that we are using right now. We are using a basic data set called Technium GPT cleaned. So this is a data set that is available on Hugging Face. You can see this data. This is a clean data of instruction, input and output, which is a small data that we are using for training. If you can see, this is the instruction. Give 3 types of staying healthy, and this is the output. Similarly, identify the odd one out: Twitter, Instagram, Telegram. The odd one is Telegram. So these are some instruction input output that has been given here. And Axolotl is an open source community by this contributor, by many contributors. The main one is Winline, who is sponsoring this project and doing all the work behind the scenes. And we are using this basic data set, and we are using you can see 8-bit quantization. We are using tokenizer type as Llama tokenizer. Model type we are using Llama for casual LM, and the base model that we are starting to use is the Open Llama 3B version. And these are some of the parameters that we are there, very basic parameters. The LoRa parameter, alpha dropout, which is default. We are just using the default parameters that are there. And if you can see, learning rate is 0.002. Everything that is there is a default parameters that we are putting in, and we are fine tuning Open Llama 3B to with this data set called GPT for Llama cleaned. And output, if you can see, output we are putting it inside output LoRa out, and the new model that is going to be trained is going to be at this particular location. So this is going to take a lot of time. We are running it for the last 30 minutes. If you can see, all this is happening. It is learning rate, epoch. It is training on the data set on the base LLM, and this takes time. But I'm just taking this quick video to show everyone how it can be, how this can be done, and I will just keep the video on, and you will just see how much time it takes, and we can take it forward. As you can see, it is going to run approximately 20,000 times. The approximate time is around 6 minutes, and after this is run, you will have that particular, as I said you, the output is going to be inside output LoRa 3B. So the name is funny, but this is the real name. So output LoRa out. If you can see, the model is getting created here. So once after you can say 10 minutes of running, it is going to run. So I will not continue this because it is going to eat up a lot of processor, but this is how it goes, and then we can take that model and you can use it. So let me just I stopped it because I don't want it to keep running here. Now if I go to my instance, if you can see how much cost has happened, it is there. So let me let me try it out and pause the recording, and let us see how much it is costing to run this model again. So I am doing it again, Lara accelerate. Let us see to start again, and then I'm going to pause the video. Let this happen, and it is right now the time is 9:50. I'm started running it again. 9:53 a.m. 27th October, and now when this is done, I'm going to resume the recording to show you the same process. Total how much time it takes. I'm using a basic instance of this GPU details. If 5000 Pro, I could have used more, but let us see with this. This is available in Jarvis Lab. How much time it will take, and talk to you guys soon. So after approximately 9 minutes, we have around 443 iterations done. We still have 21,000 iterations left, and let us give 2 hours to do this fine tuning. At least if anyone is interested in fine tuning, it is easy to run the code. The only thing is you need to understand what actually happens, but eventually let it keep running, and I will be back in 30 minutes. It is 11:14, almost 1.5 hours since it is running, and it is still around 19%. So we will wait for some more time, and see what happens. If you can see, it is 23% right now, and it is going to take a lot of time, almost 1 hour 40 minutes, but this is the way we need to do it. I am just stopping this right now, and see approximately in 25% how much is going to be the cost. So now you can see I have stopped it. I go to Jarvis Lab, and let me just refresh. Is approximately $1 cost. It is still cheap. I can keep it going on, but for now I'm going to stop it, and maybe I'm going to take a bigger server, and I'm going to run it the next time. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next